In this video, we will see the 5 basics International Space Station benefits for the humanity on Earth. Number 1. Earth Observing Instrument. Data from NASA's EcoStress payload has already had many applications. EcoStress measures subtle changes in temperature to identify plant stress. Those same measurements can be used to identify extreme heat, such as that produced by fires or lava flows, and to study movement of warm water currents and heat waves in cities. EcoStress data has been employed in efforts to reduce heat absorbed by city surfaces, better allocate water, reduce fire risk in forests, measure plant stress, search for geothermal energy sources, track mosquitoes, and help farmers efficiently water their fields. For example, Cool Streets allow researchers studying different materials that could reduce urban heat use data from EcoStress to see how the surface heat of neighborhoods changed as they applied coatings. They found a thin gray coating can make an asphalt roadway reflect the sun like a concrete roadway, reducing surrounding heat about 2 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 2. Robotic arm technology applications in an automotive factory. The creation of Space Station Robot, known as Robonaut, led to the development of an industrial-strength robotic glove. NASA and General Motors developed a Robonaut prototype and tested it on the station, where it successfully performed simple tasks alongside astronauts. The team then reconfigured the hand-like portion of Robonaut into a wearable device to help both astronauts and auto workers avoid hand fatigue and injury. Initially called RoboGlove, the device now is commercially available as Iron Hand. Number 3. Ultrasound procedures on Earth. For people who live in major cities with fully equipped hospitals, having access to quick and accurate medical imaging technology is not usually a problem. However, when medical facilities are not within easy reach, accessing this technology can mean the difference between life and death. To care for astronauts aboard the International Space Station, crew members were trained to use a small ultrasound unit to examine fellow crew members through the Advanced Diagnostic Ultrasound and Microgravity Study. Number 4. Making cancer treatment simpler for patients. The ISS National Lab study is focused on improving how drugs are delivered to patients. The study worked to grow a more uniform crystalline form of the monoclonal antibody Keytruda, which is used to treat several types of cancers, including melanoma and lung cancer. Monoclonal antibodies do not dissolve easily in liquid. That makes it difficult to create a drug that can be given via an injection in a doctor's office rather than intravenously, requiring patients to spend hours in a clinic setting to receive the drug, making treatment more convenient for patients and caregivers while significantly reducing cost. Number 5. DNA sequencing microorganisms around the solar system. Scientists use the International Space Station as a testing ground to study how to keep astronauts safe and healthy on long-duration missions. This technology can enable scientists to quickly identify pathogens on the space station or on future exploration missions, and even potentially identify life on other planets in the solar system if it shares a common biochemistry with life as we know it on Earth. If you are an astrophile, a lover of space tech, subscribe, and do like this channel for more videos and updates.